Hey guys, if EmuDeck says enabled parsers return to apps and nothing shows up in Steam Rom Manager, don't worry, this is an easy fix. First, open EmuDeck. On the left side, click Manage Emulators. Now scroll down until you find Steam Rom Manager and open it. Once you're there, click Reset Configuration. Quick reminder, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on or this won't work. After the reset finishes, close that window. Next, go back to the left menu and open Steam Rom Manager again. It will ask you to choose your Steam account. Just select your account, save it, and continue. After that, your emulators and games should start showing up again. Click Add Games, then Parse, and then you're done. That's it, simple and fast. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more fixes like this. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.